Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
I have the doubt where Siberia is.
Siberia is uh, in Russia, the old USSR.
But is it cross Arctic?
Siberia is famous because of what? Do you know?
No, sir.
My hostel name was Siberia when I was doing my MSc in Cochin University, because it is put in the last end of the campus. That is supposed to be one of the place where people can be put in jail. So it says Siberia is an extensive geographical region spanning much of Eurasia, Europe and Asia plate, and Northern Asia. So it's a large area. Siberia has been part of modern Russia, earlier USSR. Earlier it was called Soviet Republic. Okay. That's a huge area. The Siberian area is a huge area where it has got the North Asia, and it's actually a part of Russia now. So West Siberian plain, Central Siberia, and a lot of plateau is there. It's like Russia itself is a chill, cool place. That's why you can see all of them, they put a big jacket and all, right? Right. So that's like a place where people are just thrown in jail. Nobody can come back. That is how it was earlier. So it exclusively talks about the January average temperature is minus 25 degrees Celsius, minus 13 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, it's a beautiful place where nobody can live. They had a lot of labor camps and internal exile. That means people try to use it as a hiding place, the Russian people. I am very familiar to this name because that was my hostel. So I can tell sometime 2 years I was in Siberia. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And administrative division and the map is also given, which says Siberia has a long history. It means the gradual change in the during the ages, the Russian Far East. That's what I'm saying. Anything about Siberia, when you say it's very far, the Siberia is fully into Russia. Okay. It's looked like a city only. Beautiful city. You must also read.
So in my peak, where I presented like the Siberia.
Your sound is breaking, beta.
So in my PPT, in that, like I told that this crane is coming circle to the top of camp.
Yeah, in the north, yes, it's true. It is in the far east north, no? In the geography, it is approximately 23 degree, 23 and a half degree. It could be right. Yeah. The latitude, longitude is not shown here because I am looking at Wikipedia. Maybe there somewhere. Anything more?
Yes, sir. In the sloka where Deva, Godavari, Narmada, Kaveri, Jalasmin Samidam Kuru. So I want meaning of Jalasmin Samidam Kuru.
Jalam is water. Sannidhim is placed. This is how it is placed. That means all the water is one and the same. See, in Indian tradition, we keep saying to get punya, you have to go to Ganga, you have to go to Yamuna, you have to go to somewhere else, take a dip, then only you will become purified. To do ritual, you have to go to Godavari. But this sloka says you take a little bit of water and then while doing achamanam or doing puja or taking bath in any water, you keep chanting this.
Yes.
What do you chant? Gange Yamune Chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri. When you take bath in Abu Dhabi bathroom also, you can tell I am taking bath in all these rivers.
Yes, sir.
Why?
It's water.
Because it is water, the sun will take this water up into the sky and then it will give rain. So where is the rain coming from? In the cloud, from the cloud. Where is the cloud coming from? From the water. Where is the water coming from? In these rivers. So every water in the world is same.
Yes.
That is how the unification, the unity of India, the unity of the world. If you think I am using my water in Hyderabad, that is not true, because my water in Hyderabad is not there. The water is a universe property, not my property. So that is the concept given in this sloka. Everything is H2O. H2O is not mine. So there is nothing called Ganga water, Yamuna water, Saraswati water. Every water is water only. Jales means Sannidhim Kuru. This is how the water is. Everywhere it is one and the same. Sannidhim, it stays there. Where? Everywhere it stays. Yeah.
So I had a doubt regarding apartheid.
Regarding what?
Apartheid.
Your sound is breaking. I am not able to get it. Parthi. Huh. You can type in the chat.
So I typed it in.
Apartheid. What is it, apartheid?
It's like race.
APARTHITHEID. Oh. It's a system.
Yes, sir.
It's a political social system in the South Africa during where era of white minority rule. Okay. Yeah, it enforced the racial discrimination against non-whites. Yeah, this was part of most of the places where there were the people who controlled the world. They were always minorities. Because a small country like United Kingdom, it's very small, but it ruled the whole world. Now United Kingdom has become much smaller because they themselves are fighting each other and getting partitioned. Correct? So there is nothing called a great United Kingdom is not there. So during early probably 1800s end to 1900s, that's a time when they took the whole world. Fine. So Africa was also one of the place where they ruled, and that is where South Africa is where Mahatma Gandhi got it, the real taste of it, and then he came and then started spreading what he wanted to do to get rid of this rule in India also. Harini and Sheena Ismail is Rida. You could also come on to, I don't know why people are hiding. You just wanted to get into and then don't show your face. When there are I told you there are less number of people, you can always show your face and don't show a gloomy face and show a smiling face. How does it look like if somebody comes and do like this in the morning itself? I don't know what stops these people. You have some constipation, you didn't go to washroom in the morning, and if you smile everything goes out from you. Huh? Smile, yeah. Morning itself, you want to show a. You are not happy waking up in the morning or what? You want to sleep permanent? You must be happy. How nice it will be to see people smiling in the morning. Yeah. Your parents are happy seeing you always in gloomy like this? Or do they show such faces to you? Yeah. And do some good makeup. Look nice, na? I'm sure 3 of you did not take bath also. Yeah. Tell me. That's a political
So
system.
regarding
That is a political system. That's a style of rule where they call it as apartheid. Best thing to learn all these to go to Wikipedia. Just type in. There will be a meaning given, and also if you want to further onto that, get into Wikipedia and read it thoroughly. While reading, you will get lot of words. Get into such, you can connect, read things, and then I'm sure you will get beautiful knowledge. Okay, so generally when there is a racial discrimination, that is what is shown as apartheid. See, now Rishika is teaching me many things which I never knew. I am not a social scientist. I never learned this in classroom after 10th class. Good. This is in which grade, beta? This is in 7th or 8th?
So it was in the last class.
Okay, good.
6th.
6th class. Good girl. Yeah. And I'm so happy you are listening to my lectures and asking this part of the clipping I want. No? Actually, what do I do is there are facilities. I am also doing the same thing which you could also do. See, you can play anything. Now, these discussions also I am recording because I have got softwares downloaded where I can grab the screen. Whatever is happening in the screen, I can grab it and put it. Then I am saving it as a movie file and then take it. So assume I want some portion of the YouTube video. YouTube will allow you to download. There are softwares. But then it may be a 2 hours lecture. You have to download all the 2 hours. It becomes waste for you. I want only that bit. So what did I do, Rishika, yesterday? You wanted that portion. I kept up to that. Just before playing it, I kept this video grabbing on the system on and then played it. Wherever it was ending, I just stopped it. But I must play it for minutes continuously. I cannot fast forward it. If I fast forward, then that movie also will become fast forward. But I want only scene I can fast forward and then slow down in case if I want. That also I did sometime to save time. 4 minutes to save it into 1 minute, I do that. But then the sound will not come very clear. So I need to have sound, then I need it. Harini, show your teeth please. Yeah, if it did not brush also, no problem. Because the gloomy lips are more... my poetry, I am sure you have not read my poetry. The feeling teeth within. You have not read. I am 100% sure you have not read. If it is read, you will show the smiling face. Because teeth shows the feeling, not the eyes. Eyes will not be seen. Nobody will know whether you are crying or not. What is your feeling will not be seen in the eyes. It is very difficult to identify. You can camouflage. But when you show your teeth, definitely people know that you are smiling. So I don't believe in the feelings in eyes. I believe in feelings in teeth. That's why I wrote that poetry. Teeth within. So whenever you see me, I must see your teeth. Otherwise, I will smash it and take it away. I only removed Harini's most of the teeth. Whenever I used to visit, her teeth used to be one job is to remove her teeth. She never went to dentist to remove teeth. I only removed. Correct, Harini? Eh?
Yeah.
You should answer once. Okay. So the rest of the three I only removed. Probably. Yeah.
Actually, more than 5 years removed.
Oh, dekho. See, you must pay for all that. Okay. Yeah. How is the drama going?
So it's going well.
Yeah. But Rida, why do you have you seen any doctor doing like this? At your age it is fine, but when you become elderly, I also show a lot of enthusiasm and all that action, sound and all that. But I am sure the patient will run away looking at some enthusiastic doctors. They are grabbing money. No? Yeah, it's nice to be into more energetic. Yeah. Rishika, any more question, beta? Rishika reads a lot, learns a lot, sends me videos. She shows enthusiasm and she asks questions. Yeah, good.
So it's regarding the skit.
What happened to your
So
finger?
you haven't
You
done-
broke your finger or what?
No, so I cut it.
Why?
So it got
Chicken
cut.
was not available.
I'm sorry?
Chicken was not available. Mutton was not available. Okay.
So it was regarding the skit. Like how I'm going to approach to Rida and their music.
Rida is there, you can ask. Is it Rida approaching or
So I'm going to Pallavi.
yeah, you are going to Pallavi or Rida is going to Pallavi or connecting you to you? Where is
So
your
we are
patient
all going
Sian?
to
Yeah,
Jakarta.
where is your patient Sian goes after that? To Rida. From Rishika, Sian goes to Rida, correct?
No, sir. Sri Lakshmi comes to me and
Okay.
then she goes to Rida.
To Rida, okay. Where is Sian going in the beginning? Diya. And then Sian is going to Rida. Similarly, I don't know, Siddharth is doing something or not? Unmute and speak, Harini,
I
fast.
don't know.
What?
I don't know. I asked Aparna if she talked to Siddharth, but she says that she doesn't have his number or anything.
Nothing is required. It's all discussions are only in the group. Why do you somebody want their number and number is already there in the group? You can always connect, but you can post there and Siddharth is not responding, just leave it. Sri Lakshmi comes to Harini and Harini refers to Pallavi. Both Harini and Rida speaks to Pallavi and they are in discussion saying that there is a video which Pallavi has seen and in which this is what it is, and then they forward it to both Rida and Harini. Rida and Harini looks at it and then forwards it to their patients. Their patients are Sian, Sri Lakshmi and Aparna. So they in turn, both Sian and Sri Lakshmi will forward it to Sri Lakshmi is in contact with Rishika and Sian is in contact with Diya. So they will forward it to their marketing person who sold some stuff to them. So they will tell, yeah, this is a good thing and we are joining. You can tell that we are joining. If you want, you can also join. So they also share. Yeah, we also have, we are also marketing, but we also have problems like this. Okay. Aparna is already here. You can appear, Aparna. So if Siddharth is not responding, don't worry. We are not pulling people. Right? So Aparna can directly go to Harini. Aparna and Harini finishes that. And then that portion where if you are talking about the black magic thing and all is done, that can be a verbal telling. You don't have to show everything in the scene, right? Tell that I tried this, that and all that, no? Jadoo, puja, all that I tried. Aparna is there, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can tell verbally that to Harini that I went to some person and then did this puja, Pradividi.
I've done this puja with Arashina Alakara.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Then Harini
We have
will.
already recorded.
Okay, fine. Then Harini can tell. Then Harini can tell. We are in contact with another doctor. We are in discussion. There is somebody like Pallavi who knows something regarding the disease and this. Most of the things are undefined diseases. That is what it is called generally. There also I am mentioning. I think that I don't remember. I am a psychotherapist. Generally, we feel it is all sukham and dukkham. It's all in the feeling. Other day we had a Ayurvedic conference also. I mentioned it very clearly. Most of the people go to different practices. Like you can also add. I tried yogasana and all that. The Shirshasana also is the most stupid thing. The Shirshasana is only 100 years old. 1920 in Mysore Palace, the Wadiyar wanted to show some magics to their people who are staying in the palace. They asked some gymnastic fellow to show something, and that gymnastics has become yoga later because Iyengar's guru was there. And they keep saying 5,000-year-old Indian system yoga. There is nothing called the 5,000-year-old Indian system yoga, in which otherwise we would have seen. The other day I was telling in the yoga seminar, otherwise we would have seen Lord Krishna, Jain, Buddha and all that in Shirshasanam and all that, no? We would have seen Buddha in a jetty doing Sarvanga Asanam and all that. Nobody did this. Have you seen Krishna taking pull up and push up? To show fitness. Correct. So these are not part of our system at all. They are all exaggerated. Fine. This is what Dr. TPS says. You could refer that and then say that that is not what is solution. Let us live in this world, be happy, be social, be active. And change is what is required. We should not go back to the world. We should go forward. Fine. And then learn, enjoy, use all the gadgets, get into cinema, look at Dear Zindagi. What a beautiful cinema is that. There, you have not seen that movie, right? You must see such movies. Shah Rukh Khan is a psychiatrist and a moved out girl who is not accepted at home, always getting scolding from parents. She runs away and then goes to Goa and then meet Shah Rukh Khan. And then Shah Rukh Khan is also such an enjoyable. There are so many such beautiful movies. There is some Malayalam movie in which I think the similar story where he is staying in Goa and then he is a very genius fellow, studies always, but I will text you the movie name. That's also a beautiful movie, recent movie, and that is also shooted in Goa, right? The Goa based story of, I think, what is that new actor, Malayalam actor, yeah, Shibua. There was one police officer this style somebody came, na? You are not watching Malayalam movies? All of you are Malayalis, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who is that police officer? Who came? Biju. I don't remember. Yeah. Sometime I forget.
Sir, is it action hero Biju?
Yeah, action hero Biju. Who is the actor?
Nivin Pauly.
Yeah, Nivin Pauly is acting in that movie. The Goa based. He acts like a Buddhist. And later he is not a Buddhist. He is a very studious person, always into books. But to prove himself as useless in the society. But he goes to Goa and then learns how to live. And he enjoys life. That is what it says. Anything more you want to ask?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
About the skit.
Yeah.
So can we include Pallavi's the small part of that song in our conversation in between me and Harini?
Yeah, you can, because there can be a generation gap, right? You can say, yeah, this is good for us probably. So that shows you are also depicting a drama, or a skit is something where you will show a different variety. Yeah, that movie name is Hey Jude. Hey, H-E-Y, Hey Jude, J-U-D. It's a beautiful movie. See, these are all psychologically how people get affected. There is a great message in that. I see most of the movies. Another good Telugu movie is there, Pressure Cooker, where the parents are making the child to go to US to become an engineer. But he is not able to go because of various reasons, but he becomes a great inventor. Beautiful movie, Pressure Cooker. Right? You must see such messages from the movies. Yeah. So you could add a little bit of, don't become too formal. Rida, you must don't become too formal in everything. As you are in the house, as you see around your world how they behave, that should be your style. Okay, otherwise it looks like acting. I am not acting now. Am I acting or casual discussion? Yeah, that is how you should become.
Casual discussion.
Aparna, eyes open, beta. Show your teeth. Half sleep.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Anything to ask?
Yes, sir. Sir, we are advised to think out of the box from the school. So is it necessary to achieve our goals?
See, there are two things. The school people will tell you to think out of the box. The spiritual people will tell you to look inside you. You first ask the teacher who is asking, show me the box first, then I will not see there. Whatever I am seeing outside the box will be outside the box. These are all useless terminologies. What exactly required is, see, you must become genuine innovative person. The genuine innovation is what is that you should have. That will come when you think, yeah, what is the alternate method? The alternate method is what is that you require. See, today morning yesterday, what did I do? This drama which you are doing, I did not start anything. Diya came up with a bomb. Correct? And Rida came up with something else. And there was another group made for some other discussion. I pulled all of them together and then made it into a. That's it. But then I wanted all of them to get connected, so I added my idea into that. So this is out of box thinking. You are not thinking inside, you are thinking out of box. So any innovation, any discovery is out of box thinking. But you cannot always do lot of innovation. Okay, I have a spoon with me and my back is itching, so what do? Use this and do this. That is innovation. So a spoon can be used for multiple purpose, right? Assume you want to open a lid of a box and you are not able to open it. What do? You use this. So this is used as a jockey. This is used as a lever. This is used as a scratching item. Anything can be used. So anything which you use differently is called the innovation. So assume I want to open a screw and that is not working, then immediately I will take a spoon and then try to do that. That is thinking out of box. You want to cut a small paper, you are not able to cut this, you may take a spoon and then The handle will be used for cutting a paper also, right? And assume that I am getting angry to somebody, then I can use it to throw. So that becomes a tool for punishing somebody also. So there are so many ways. No? Assume there is something on the table and I am not able to clean it, I may use the same spoon to scratch it. So you see, the same spoon is used for many purposes. And maybe I want to get your attention, I will use it to get your attention also. Don't ask whether spoon is used for that. Yeah, it also can be used for that. So, what is it used for is inside box. What is that it is not meant for and you invent something outside that is called out of box. Got it? Very simple. That is, in Hindi it is called jugaad. What is it called? Jugaad. The word is called jugaad. So we keep doing lot of jugaad. Assume I don't have anything to play and I have a lid here. I will use it to, what is that? Flying wheel now. I don't have a flying wheel with me. I will do it. Yesterday in the class, I was talking about a simple pendulum. I did not had anything. Immediately I took this earplug and then showed that it's simple pendulum. Yeah. And I want to show how a magnet will affect a simple pendulum. Then I took another earplug and it was kept there and it says that now you see this is moving. That is because this is a magnet there. Got it? So what is that beside you? You use it. That is called. I don't know. Have you seen? I made a small, beautiful birthday gift to somebody who was attending from Ajman. You are not seeing my video. This video also I have given as a link to you. Maybe probably I must have posted. In which that day morning only she said it's her birthday. But in a village like my place, I can't get any gift. But then immediately when coconut fell, I took the coconut, removed and gave that water as the first drink for her. So birthday drink is given. And then cut that coconut into circular one like a spiral. So the spring sort of a cut. And that was fed to her. And took the same coconut shell and then inside I drew. Beautiful picture. You have not seen that? Birthday gift to Dr. TPS. I don't remember her name.
I was there in that.
What is her name?
The camp which I was in.
What is her name?
I don't know her name. I don't remember.
I think, yeah, I know. I stayed in her house only in Ajman. For a 3 days workshop, I went in Ajman. I stayed with her mother is a yoga practitioner. Kodungalur. Everything is coming, but except that name. Yeah. So it all, the way you think, entirely different probably, you can create lot of new thoughts. That is what is new thoughts. I am sure nobody would have taught history with a timeline, AD and BC and all that. That is my thought in education. So I keep, you look at my Dr. TPS TEDx creativity lecture. There is a TED lecture. TED lecture is one of the best lectures available in any series. So have you seen my TED lecture?
Yes, sir.
That is where you can see creativity. How do you become creative in learning? That creativity is called out of box. But how do you become creative and out of box thinkers? Only when you be with such people. Seeing them doing such things, you will also get. We had a great teacher, Anandan Master. You can look at Dr. TPS Anandan Master Nanam. He will show you lot of innovative science experiments with thing in front of him, he knows how to make beautiful science experiments. All waste material he uses and he will make science experiments out of it. Look at creativity, Dr. TPS. You will see some art, some activity which just comes out of box. Aparna has any doubt, beta?
No, sir.
She is good. Anything more? Rishika?
No, sir.
Yeah, I think her name is Meenakshi, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, Meenakshi, the daughter of Rani. Yeah, it was Meenakshi's birthday. Okay then. Good enough. So we learned where is Siberia, and then what did we learn?
Sir, the sloka.
Yeah. Gange cha Yamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidhim Guru. And we learned Hey Jude. And what is that racism rule called?
Apartheid.
Eh?
Apartheid.
Yeah. I first heard apothecary. Do you know what is apothecary? Apothecary is a doctor who runs with a medicine in his hand. There is a movie called Apothecary, and in which Suresh Gopi is acting. That's a beautiful movie. Traditionally, in our villages and all, there is no hospital. Doctor will come with a box, and if somebody has disease, he will give medicine by himself. There is no. He is called a doctor cum medical shop. Homeopathy doctors are like that, right? And they will come, give injections, they will give you medicine, they will give you some tablets, and then they will go. That is called apothecary. Apothecary is the original doctor's name. In Kerala, it's called apothecary. APOTHECARY, apothecary. That means doctor. So there is a beautiful movie, The Bad Impacts and Effects of Doctors. See, I am always giving you a lot of movie references, right? The best way to learn many things is movie. I love movies. Okay, beta? Good. So send all the clippings. Probably by 15th we can wind it up. But then continue learning in the same out of box. First learn inside the box, then only you can learn out of box. First you should know where is box. Okay. Good. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.